Cupping therapy is an ancient remedy that helps to increase blood circulation, reduce muscle pain, draw toxins, and has numerous other benefits. We consider features, quality, and value, narrowing down the options, and bring you our list of the top 5 best cupping sets. Number 5. Best Variety. AIKOTOO Cupping Therapy Set. The AIKOTOO Cupping Therapy Set is popular, in part, because of the large variety included. The set comes with 24 cups of different sizes and styles. Each cup is constructed with high-grade plastic, and the manual vacuum pump helps provide proper suction and control. You can easily use this cupping set yourself at home, thanks to its long extension tube. The pros are that this set is good quality, has a large number of cups, and is budget-friendly. The con is that this set is not as high quality as some options higher on the list. Number 4. Most convenient. Cupping Warehouse Grip Pro 6570. 8 cups silicone cupping therapy set. Whether you need a cupping set at home or on the go, this 8-piece set by Cupping Warehouse is a great option. The cups are made with high-quality silicone material and have a round, smooth edge to ensure overall comfort. There's no need for pumps here either, as you just squeeze the cup and place it wherever you need it. The raised grips help in providing you great control when placing them as well. The silicone also conforms to the skin and keeps a good seal. If you'd like cupping therapy available to you at all times, this set is convenient and can be used almost anywhere. The pros are that the set doesn't require a pump, makes a more flexible seal. They are portable and can be used wherever needed. The con is that the amount of suction is somewhat limited because of the lack of a pump. Number 3. Electric Pick. COOBST Chinese Cupping Therapy Set. This electric cupping set is powerful and yields effective results. Made with high-quality polycarbonate material, these cups will stay with you for an extended period of time. One of the unique features of this therapy set is that it comes with its own electric pump, so you don't need to use fire or have to pump by hand. Instead, just press one button and it starts working. The pros are that it has one-button operation, is heat-resistant, and shockproof, and has quality construction overall. The con is that the on-off trigger can be very sensitive. Number 2. RunnerUp. AccuZone Premium Quality Cupping Set with 19 cups. Our RunnerUp product by AccuZone is made with premium quality materials and is considered one of the best cupping sets available. It includes 19 cups of varied sizes, along with a manual pump and a professional carrying case. The cups are heat-resistant and shockproof and can be easily sterilized in boiling water. This is a pretty complete package and a very good cupping set overall. The pros are that this set is constructed with high-quality materials, provides a variety of cups, cleans easily, and includes a case. The con is that the instructions could use improvement. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Best Overall. Professional Cupping Therapy Set by Myofascial Releaser. This professional quality set comes with 18 cups in multiple sizes, an extension tube, 2 hand pumps, and a carrying case. The set even includes 12 negative polarity magnets for magnet therapy. These cups will help pull out toxins, encourage blood flow, promote healthier skin, and improve muscle recovery. The high-quality polycarbonate material used in its construction makes it a reliable, long-lasting set as well. The pros are the quality construction of this set, dual pumps, and the variety of extras. The con is that the set only includes 1 cup small enough for facial cupping use. Cupping therapy has been used by everyone from ancient healers to modern professional athletes. Whatever your cupping needs, you can't go wrong with one of these excellent sets.
Now that we've taken a closer look at today's top choices, which option is the best fit for you? As always, links to each of these items are in the description section below this video. And if you enjoyed this countdown, check out our suggested video for another quick fix of the best picks around. Thanks for watching and have a great day!